Greetings, this is Kevin Jefferson, father of the Forex Famine, followmytrades.com, here with Trade Theory on Thursday, September 1st at 9:40 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm looking at the Bitcoin chart right now. This is the weekly chart, and price had fallen back for the last several weeks into actually bearish territory. And as I'm looking at the daily chart, after we had spoken about price moving up into this area and having the possibility to continue higher, as high as 32,000 and some change on the high side, price broke down, closed below a daily close level that I mentioned in a couple videos before this, and prices started to move down again. So it's at a crucial point. It's at a pausing point, and the near-term prospects are showing kind of an indecisiveness. But looking at it in totality, I would probably lean more towards price continuing to fall, and not necessarily today, but between now and the end of this year, the end of 2022, I wouldn't be surprised. And it all really kind of hinges on what happens over the next couple of weeks with Bitcoin. But I would be fully, I would fully see that price could fall down to the 2012.19 range. So just around $10,000 per coin is a possible target if price continues to fall. So on the daily chart right now, I'm really kind of paying attention to the end of this week, and we'll assess based on what happens after the unemployment numbers come out on Friday. But for price to reverse and turn around, we'd have to have a daily close above 21,691.75, and then follow that up with a weekly close of 24,198.82. Should that happen, then we can move back to that first target point of 32,049.13. But there's, at least probably a week or two of activity that we've got to watch play out before we can really see what this wants to do. So if it falls lower straight away and maybe it gives a weekly close, it probably won't happen this week. But let's say at the end of next week, if price closes below 19,393.44, then I would fully expect price to continue to fall down towards the 10,000 range, the lower 10,000s, $10,012.19 to be exact. And if in the next couple of weeks, if price starts to inch upward, we'll watch the daily closes. And then if we have that weekly close above 24,198.82, we could expect price to move on up into the the low 30,000 range. So we're kind of at that inflection point, kind of a critical point where the market is consolidating, and the next 2 weeks will probably give us more clarity about the disposition of Bitcoin, which means other crypto will follow with Bitcoin as the leader. So be mindful and be patient, and you can make your moves accordingly. All right, to learn how to build cash flow for yourself, click the DIY button on fmtrades.com, where we teach business owners, entrepreneurs, and highly compensated professionals, or anybody who really wants to learn how to build cash flow for themselves. We can show you how to do that through our courses. And if you want us to help you by way of doing the cash flow building for you, called DFY Cash Flow Building, click the DFY button, learn more about what it entails, and then connect with us. Until next time, I hope this has been beneficial for you. Enjoy the day and happy trading.